the unboxing of it. Let me open my Swiss knife, and then here you see. So first let me open from, I think so, here. Yes, from here. Okay, is that open? I think so that somewhat is open. Yeah, it's open right now. And then now let me take out the, okay, it was like this. Oh yeah, here we go. There was blue color, but I bought the yellow color. I think so it look much better, easier to grip. So this it is. I will coming to this one also. There's nothing inside. Let me close the box for you, as you can see that. Now what about this one? Okay, also let me open the packaging for you, and then okay, here we go. It's now finally open. Come on. Okay, this is a yellow stand. I bought the 70 cm because I was a little bit worried that the airport authority can stop me. Personally, I like this one. So, I mean, I think so I can easily fit my phone with absolutely no problem. I think so. Let me see. Yeah, now let me go out and then capture some images for you. It was me, Jimmy a Geek. You can buy this one from the link below. Now I will continue the video while I'm outside. Yes, here is the pouch and then the lanyard. Also it comes with a carabiner clip and that's a screw, to be honest with you. And then yeah, this is the pouch. I bought the yellow color before I was going to buy the blue one, but I said to myself this one looks cooler. Now let me get out. Here is the Momax Selfie Hero. I really like it. This comes with a quite good pouch, as you can see. Let me set up the Momax Selfie Hero for you. So this is what you get. Okay, even I like this stand, so it means that this is a 70 cm. You can buy the 100 or even 150. Next time I'll get in 150, as you can see. So while I'm sitting, I can just make us a tripod. Here is the stand which it comes with. Let me just make it like long like this one, and then let me just put this one so I can show you how we can use our smartphone on it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, let's screw it a little tightly. Okay, I like this. Yeah, I think that's fine. I think so. And then here is my Sony smartphone, and then let me make a little bit tight. Okay, let me do it like this way. It's not becoming tight. Okay, come on, it's taking a little long. Okay, yeah, finally it's tight. Okay, now from this way, and then let me put it like this. I don't think so like this will be okay. Like this will be okay. So with on a Sony Xperia XA Ultra have a OIS selfie camera, which means that I can even record while I'm doing something else. So let me see, let me open the camera and let's see is this working or not. So let me connect with the Bluetooth. So you need a Bluetooth connection to connect with. Okay, let me make this one a little bit tight. But this one is moving. I don't want it to move. So yeah, I mean this is quite good. I mean I can easily snap a picture with the Bluetooth. You need to put the battery. Before I forgot to put, I was thinking while it's not working, just press this button and it will take your pictures. Very simple as that. I mean there's no rocket science behind, to be honest with you. Okay. it's like that. Let me open the Momax app. Let me go to the Bluetooth setting, more setting of the Bluetooth. And then now let me start it. Okay, let me connect with the, let me forget the app, and then yeah, now because the Bluetooth is not working right now, I don't know for what reason. Now I'm trying to, okay, I'm trying to pair it. Okay, let me start the pairing again. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So yeah, it's already paired. So this is the Momax app. So I think so this is enough for unboxing and a quick review. As you can see, yeah, it's quite good. I mean, it's working right now. I mean, the Momax app, even you can use the regular app for ad. I mean, easily you can press the button and turn off this sound. So to be honest with you, this is a quite good product for me. What I can say, that is a quite good product. So I think so that was enough. Do not forget to subscribe and bye.